Herr Morgan! Herr Morgan!
Mr. Strauss?
You busy, my friend?
Why?
I'll cut you in.
Loaning? Already?
You know how it is. People is happy to borrow off someone like me, but more enthusiastic paying back to someone like you.
Of course. Who are they?
Let me see. Chick Matthews works at Guthrie Farm. He's a hand, I believe. Mr. Roble, the small holder at Painted Sky, runs the operations there, badly. Miss Lily Millet is a ranch maid up at Emerald Ranch.
And here was me believing Dutch's bluster about us helping folk.
It's legal work, Mr. Morgan. Debtors belong in prison. We are doing them a favor.
Aye. I'll make sure they see it in them terms.
Put the debts in the deed box and try not to kill them. It's very bad for business.
I just miss him so much.
Of course you do. Goes without saying.
What am I gonna do?
You're gonna suffer. And life's gonna go on. That's the truth of it. I won't lie to you.
Oh, Miss Roberts.
I know.
Where am I gonna go?
Stay here with us. Folk, they ain't so bad. And it's nasty out there on your own.
I know.
You'll be safe here. At least for now. Till you're back on your feet properly.
Christ. Crap.
Help! Please! Anyone!
Look! Come on.
I got bit. Oh, God. Oh, I need medicine. Or a siphon.
Here, drink this.
Oh, medicine? Oh, thank you, Jesus. Oh, you saved my life. I owe you.
Got that right.
I do. Now, I gotta get out of here. Don't much like it around here no more.
Glad I could help. Keep your eyes on the ground, huh?
No.
Knock, knock, Mr. Roby.
No przepraszam, co pan robi w moim domu?
God damn it.
Kim jesteś?
I'm here on behalf of Leopold Strauss. Where's our money?
Leopold Strauss. Nie mam pieniędzy.
God damn it, you don't speak English, do you? Now, you remember where you're keeping that silly...
Potrzebuję trochę czasu, znajdę ci pieniądze.
Oh, still don't understand you. Where is the money? Gold, dollars.
Nie rób tego. I have nothing. Przestań. Już nie mam siły. No. Please, no. No have money, but I have this. It's good. It's good. It's valuable. It's Warszawa, yes.
I have your things, okay? I have anything in here or out there.
Yes.
Don't even speak English. Better be something somewhere. Longer I look, the madder I get.
Very valuable. Good?
Not good yet.
No.
Yes. You must have come here with something.
Nie rób tego! I must eat, proszę!
Okay, that should about cover things. You're okay, girl. Shh, easy there. Easy, it's okay. Okay? Yep. Yeah. Ah! Okay. Yeah.
Muy coin. Mój koń! Zabrałeś mi wszystko!
dumbass.
Good. You're back in one piece.
Let's move.
Hello.
The big man. Shut up. Oh, charming.
Just what did you say to me? Miss O'Shea?
How did you get on, Herr Morgan?
Called in on the small holder, Roble. Didn't even speak English.
Good, very good.
My pleasure.
Well, if it's pleasure you're after, there is one other. This farmer preacher fellow I met in Valentine, Mr. Downs.
The opinionated little do-gooder? Yeah, I know the one. I certainly know the type.
Thank you, Herr Morgan.
There's no need to thank me. Like you said, it's pleasure I'm after.
He's more slippery than he seems. I've tried being polite. Don't take any nonsense.
Nonsense? Me?
If he doesn't have the money, beat him.
Well, I usually do.
I know. I know.
Arthur, come lend a hand here.
Go ahead and call your mama for all I care.
Take it easy.
Look
I've
at
got
that.
lumbago.
Smarten him up, will you?
Oh, hell. Wasting my time anyway.
Thanks, mister.
Come on.
Our very own avenging angel. Look on the wall there if you're after another quarry. Nasty individual. That one? They say she's sleeping rough near Cumberland Falls. And what's more, they say she ain't sleeping alone. Oh, I got it. This bounty you're after, the lady, what's she do? Mrs. Swan? Poor dear, married the wrong man. She thought she could kill him and inherit a fortune. Instead, she got some debts and that bounty on her head. This lady murder, that kind of thing happen much around here? This is a cattle town. There's 3 men to every woman, and 3 women to every woman of the marrying kind. Certain type of lady is drawn to this place. Indeed. Well, if they're in New Hanover, I'll find them. Read the fine print. We want that one with color in their cheeks. Pound them to hell. Yep. Yep.
Seen how far you can push me, huh?
Hey, friend.
I just don't want him to see me. We're not friends anymore. We're not. They won't forgive you. They didn't forgive me. There is no forgiveness. None, friend. None. I know you want it. I can smell it on you. Well, it ain't happening. No, it isn't. That's why, that's why I'm out here, well away from them. See, they come for me, but I'm watching. Yeah. I never sleep. I never do.
They're saying you were Black Widow.
Why enough of that?
That means you killed your sweetheart.
There's a bounty hunter. Get him!
Eliane, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna make you go with the feller.
All you men are useless. Help me! Someone, I'm being chased!
All right, girl.
Man after me. He killed my sweetheart. Stop this monster! Damn you! Save me!
I seen him.
That there's a bounty hunter. Get him!
Eliane, I'm sorry, but
Kill that bounty hunter!
You are a piece of...
Hell. That dumb little boy.
This is very kind of you.
Don't you manhandle me!
Comfortable enough for you? Come on, girl. Settle in. You got a ride ahead of you.
Oh dear. Look him over me.
Be quiet with that.
I need help, okay? I have an illness.
This the help you're looking for?
You're such a strong man. So tough and burly. Maybe if
I ain't falling for it.
I hate you, you sad sack of shit. I wish I'd cut your belly open and shown you your guts. Gutless bounty hunting nobody. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Ah! I wish you'd die. Ah! Ah!
That's more like it. Hush. There, girl. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, you're all right, girl. All right, girl. Yeah, here we go.
You best make your last purchases there.
We're coming up on the jailhouse. Anything else you want to try on me?
Just get me there. You're no fun at all.
I'm afraid I ain't. You order a lady killer here, Sheriff?
Yeah, we did. Put her in the cell, won't you?
I protest my innocence. I protest my innocence.
She might be a little shaken up. She lost another feller out by the falls.
Poor dear.
Men just got a habit of dying around you, don't they, Mrs. Swan?
I hope you'll be comfortable, miss.
She'll be fine. Now come get your money off the desk here. The Black Widow herself. This town's so starved of women, I'm sure she could find herself a husband yet.
That's cowboys for you.
Indeed. So it seems this town's got more pressing problems than outlaws. Gonna take some time
My
off posting
apologies,
bounties,
sir.
impose law and order on the streets.
That man has a heart of stone. It's silly to keep me locked up in here. I mean, what am I gonna do? Just little old me. Let me out to exercise a little.
I'm immune to your charms, Mrs. Swan.
It's so boring in here. Can we have some fun, Sheriff? Just the two of us?
And to think you was sniffing around this office at one point. I'm lucky you was charmed by another.
You see, Sheriff, I know your secrets. And I could spread them all over. Like Miss Moria?
Don't you dare mention Mora again. Now hush.
Oh, show me some sympathy, Sheriff. I'm a widow. A poor little widow. You forget?
They can say what they like about you, but at least you respected the sanctity of marriage.
Till death do us part.
Here. Easy, girl. All right.
Hey, Victor! Where you? Come over here! I'm in a real bind. This feller, he's in a bad way. You gotta help me. I'll pay you.
Okay.
We ain't got a lot of
calm
time.
down. Where
Are
is
you gonna help me or not? He's inside. Upstairs. Come with me. I'll show you. was me or him. I
The
swear.
hell is this?
I gotta clean this room. Can you get rid of him, please? I'll give you all the money I got. Bastard started beating on me.
I must really be losing my
He was
mind
a
this
demon in
time.
human shape. You know, there's a pig pen not too far. Just dump the body in there and they'll eat him up in no time.
What in the hell? Right. I'm after the law. Hey, Sheriff.
Let's go, girl. Yep.
God damn it, I know you. I'm ordering you to stop running. Move another inch, and you are dead. Shit! You're gonna regret this. Don't give up on me, girl.
Yep. Yep.
The law's gonna put you down for good.
Yeah. Hey, you're okay, girl. Yeah. Mr. Thomas Downs, you owe me money.
Oh, no, I'm...
Oh, come here, you maggot.
Please, sir.
Really? Threaten me, would you?
Please, I have a family, sir, please.
I don't care about your family. Why'd it have to come to this, huh? You ain't such a do-gooder, are you? If you're running out on debts...
I'm not running anywhere. I'm doing my best for you.
You are a slippery little bastard. But I got you now.
Please, show some compassion. Please.
How's that dead looking now? You borrowed money from my business partner, Herr Strauss. You owe him, you took the money. He wants it back, what's not to understand? Where's our money?
I don't have it.
Sell your place.
We already owe more than it's worth.
Then sell your wife, or your family, or something. We ain't your idea of charity. Is that clear?
Thomas!
What are you looking at?
Thomas!
I said, what you looking at, woman?
My husband isn't well. If we could just have more...
Like I said, we ain't nobody's idea of charity. Get us the money.
Ah, how did you get on?
Not so good. He's almost dead. And they seem more or less destitute. You were a fool for lending them the money.
Well, people who aren't desperate don't seem so interested in my propositions.
Of course. Get up.
What?
Mr. Morgan,
Yes, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Matthews gave me a
Quit with
message
the
for
ruckus.
you. He said when it was convenient to head into Emerald Ranch. He's looking at a few business things there.
Okay.
Oh, he'll find something too. He always does. Will you be well now, Mr. Morgan?
I'm always well, Miss Grimshaw. You got everything you need, Miss Grimshaw?
I don't think you should just be wandering around here, friend. Not a thing happens round here without an O'Driscoll saying so. Understand me?
No need for threats. I ain't quarrelsome.
Keep going! You're done here!
That had to hurt.
No mercy!
That's it!
Move in, boy!
Yep. Yeah. You're getting robbed. Nice and easy now.
What's your goddamn problem? You want your
Now, come on. Yep.
Hey there, friend. Come! Stop on by for a moment.
The name's William.
Arthur.
You familiar with the study of plants, my friend?
Familiar ain't quite the word I'd use.
Well, let me tell you. This great earth beneath our feet can provide everything man ever needs. But we've only reached a tiny bit of its potential. You see, there are thousands, maybe millions of plants all across this vast country we share. The mountains, the plains, the swamps. I mean to explore them all, to know all of nature's bounty and all of her wonder, if I can.
Sure.
But I'm only one man. Would you consider helping me with gathering herbs for my studies?
Why?
Knowledge, kindness, beauty.
Well, I'm ignorant, ugly, and nasty.
Well, let's see if maybe we can do something about that.
I'll see.
I'm looking for a plant called yarrow. You can distinguish it by its red flowers. It shouldn't be too hard to find. They thrive out in the open under direct sunlight. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, yeah. I feel better already. They were right. This stuff does have medicinal properties. All this help, you deserve something in return. Well, this is for your horse, actually. This can cure almost all maladies to your animal, natural and otherwise. Don't ask how. Now, if you don't mind, I'll be getting back to my studies. I look forward to our next meeting, traveler. Hey, that's not yours to have.
Calm down, will you?
Get off of my ranch!
Look, friend, I can pass through here if I want.
This is a warning. Clear on out of here.
Okay, I really am done now.